This is our English 1, Week 11 check-in. This week you will be submitting and getting feedback on your Essay 3 outline. If you submitted on Sunday, you can expect feedback by Wednesday at the latest, but hopefully a little bit sooner than that. If you haven't submitted, please make sure that you get that outline in as soon as possible so that you are all set to work on your Essay 3 over the weekend. Upcoming due dates are Unit 3, Block 7 is going to be due on Wednesday, and then your Essay 3 will be due this coming Monday. This is your final. Remember that the drop deadline for this class will be November 8th. So if you are currently not passing the class and wish to stay in the class, please make sure to let me know by November 7th. Otherwise, I will be dropping students who are not passing the class. If you already messaged me last week and let me know, that is fine, you will not be dropped. But if I haven't heard from you and I messaged you about your grade in the class, just know that you will be dropped from the class if I don't hear from you. Hey class, welcome to week 11. We are about 6 weeks away from the end of the semester, so we're definitely hitting the end. And I just want to talk about what's happening this week and what I want you to be focusing on. So this week is all about just getting yourself set up to submit your Essay 3 on time, which is going to be due next Monday. And so we got a week to really make sure that you're all caught up and that you're ready to write your essay later this week and into the weekend. So hopefully you've already submitted your Essay 3 outline. That was due yesterday, Sunday. If you have not completed it already, make sure you get that to me as soon as possible, earlier in the week. I will be going out of town on Thursday, so I will be grading that day. So if you have any late assignments that you're submitting, please make sure that you get it to me by like Wednesday morning at the latest, so I have time to give feedback. Otherwise, you're going to have to wait till Friday to get feedback on anything. Those of you that submitted your outline on time, you will get feedback by Wednesday at the latest, and then you'll be all good to get started on your Essay 3. As with all your outlines, you will have the chance to revise. If you choose to revise, you can get a better grade. If you choose not to revise, make sure that you're still looking at the feedback and you know exactly what you need to fix when you start working on your final draft. So even if you don't revise that outline, you still need to know what to change when you do your final draft. Otherwise, you're not going to get a very good grade. So please always look at the feedback. I spend a lot of time giving it, and so I always hate when no one reads it because it definitely makes it harder for me because I have to basically give the same feedback twice. So yeah. Look at the feedback, make sure you know what you need to change, and then you'll be all good to go. There is one assignment that is going to be due this week. It's really the only thing due other than your outline, which hopefully you've already done, and then your final draft on Monday. And that's going to be this annotating Essay 3 activity. And really it's just to kind of show you what a final draft of this essay is going to look like. So this assignment, there's a little tutorial video where I go over a completed essay and explain exactly how each of the paragraphs functions. This is going to be really helpful because you are, I'm sure, have a lot of questions when it comes to what the final result is going to look like. So being able to kind of see how each of the paragraphs functions is going to be really helpful. This first link here is going to give you the full essay. So it looks like this, and I have marked up most of the paragraphs and kind of showing you how each of these paragraphs functions. And then you will be marking up 2 of the paragraphs yourself. So you are going to tell me what the topic sentence is, the introduce support, the analysis support or analyzing the support, and then the concluding sentence, and showing me that you understand how each of those works within the paragraph. And hopefully then it also helps you when you're writing your own essay to kind of see what you're working toward. And really that's it. So if you're all caught up, this should be a pretty light week for you. If you're not though, this is also a good opportunity to get caught up. So if you are missing any of your essay prep assignments, please prioritize those, get those done as soon as possible. If you are all caught up on the essay prep, but maybe you have other assignments that you haven't been able to get to, that is okay. You can also use this time to get caught up on those as well. So as long as you have all your essay prep assignments done, you are also welcome to submit late assignments that aren't essay prep. I just want you to prioritize the essay prep. And that should be it. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. Good luck this week. And as always, if you need help or anything, message me, and I will talk to you guys next week.